I can hear the happiness in your voice.
Yes, Agent B. I have something I want to tell you.
I'm listening.
So, I went off on vacation as a miss, and I came back as a Mrs. to be.
You got engaged?
Yes, ma'am. He popped the question on the second night of vacation.
Congrats, Roxy. I am so happy for you.
Thanks, Angie. You know, I want to thank you for your words of encouragement and your positive words. That's when I decided to start going out, actually.
You deserve to be happy. I know that's what your mother would have wanted.
I know. I just wish she was here to see this.
Trust me, she's seeing it. And I know she's watching over you.
You're right. I can feel her presence sometimes.
She's there with you. Um, you tell me someone is it?
Not yet, but I would be surprised if he already knows.
Who to tell? But tell him still, just for formalities.
I certainly will. So, what can I do for you today?
Miranda Suarez. I need a deep search on her.
I was asked to do this by Mr. Mullings about a month ago.
What came up?
Nothing out of the ordinary.
Roxy, dig deeper. I want you to cross-reference all the names that did work with the South American agency 2 years ago.
Okay.
I want all the female names, especially the ones with Mexican and Colombian background.
Gotcha.
Also, all the deep cover assignments that was issued during that time, and the operatives that was a part of them. Roxy,
Yeah?
it's urgent. Get on it now.
On it.
Link me when you have something.
Okay, sure will.
Okay.
Yes, Sifa. Oh, go on. Hey, me there run a workshop. Everything good? Oh, you sound so. Alright, forward. Yo, me there say, Just walk on. Bossy. Siva. Just talk where you talk. I don't think no bad news can shake me now.
Your daughter, she never reached home yesterday. Bossy, hold on, no, let me explain.
What's she there?
Bossy, somebody take away taxi driver and use the same taxi and gonna take her away.
Yeah. Go over her mother. Because I just feel say she do this.
That's the next thing, boss. I go over her mother until she do it.
I feel say Mullins have something to do with this.
Boss, we will deal with it now.
No. Siva, you search. Search, turn the city inside out. Make sure you find out what she could have there. Right? Me will deal with Mullins.
Alright, boss.
God we trust.
I know me alone in the vehicle, you know. You know me don't like when you so quiet.
Alright, Daddy.
Well, if you say so.
Daddy, what are you doing over here, son? I'm not hungry, no?
Then somebody if you're hungry if you come here, so.
Alright. Daddy, thank you. Thank you for not wearing that shepherd egg dress. But you couldn't live in water boats.
Really, girl. Take your shame, your shame of my profession, you know.
No, Daddy, I'm not ashamed.
Oh, for you get one, you can get two.
Yes, Daddy, but you not have to wear it everywhere.